loves, welcome back to my channel, and welcome if you are new here. Today's video is going to be a short and sweet one. I am decorating my foyer for spring. I couldn't wait any longer, you guys. I needed some spring vibes because it is just so ugly outside. So I am just decorating my console table and my bookshelf that is in the foyer for today. And I am just so excited to just pop in some greenery and some rabbits and some spring vibes, you guys, because I am so over this winter. So over it. It has been absolutely atrocious. It's been probably the worst winters that I've ever been in. And it just snows day after day, and I am totally over it. It's beautiful to look at, but it's no fun to be in, and it is cold and all the things. So in order to combat that, I just decided that I am going to be decorating for spring. Also, I've been watching Liz's video, you guys, and I am just smitten. Like, she's decorating her home for spring, and the colors that she's using is just so beautiful. And so I just decided that I want to start decorating as well. Got my inspiration from Liz. So here you see I'm using my thrifted finds. This is where they ultimately ended up, and I just love the way that they look here. They're so like vibrant, and I love the greens, and which is kind of the color scheme that I'm going to be bringing in for the spring summer, because I think once I'm done decorating for spring, I'm decorating for summer as well. But I may change my mind, but as of now, I'm bringing in the greens and the whites, and just beautiful colors or shades that are just easy on the eye and just casual. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to share it. And if you are new here, please go ahead and subscribe. I'm not going to talk anymore in the video. I'm going to let the video play and listen. You guys enjoy the video, enjoy the music, and I will see you next time. Remember that Jesus is Lord. He loves you, and I love you too. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.
Photograph of us without cares and worn out clothes. Doesn't seem so long ago. Now I'm just sitting here bored at home, and it really got me thinking of the times we took off on the road. I can't remember where we headed that night. We were cruising around town in Memphis, running the lights. I just know how it felt. I won't forget that. Windows down and open top, but we were clever not to take it too far. Though it's hard not getting tempted, calling you up to see how you've been. Cause don't I miss you and all those things we did back then. Way back then. It's funny how times roll by. Is it 12 years since last time? Where'd you go? What's the score? Did you find what you were looking for? I never see you anymore. I can't remember what we did that day. We were blowing off steam in Paris, but I wanted to stay, cause I know how it felt when we raised hell. I won't forget that. But we were clever not to take it too far, though it's hard not getting tempted.
Okay guys, I said I wasn't going to pop back in, but I just wanted to pop back in right here so you can kind of know what I'm doing here. So I am just changing out a few items, like the picture and some of the decor pieces, and just adding some things. But I did leave at the bottom the woven basket boxes. I left those at the bottom because they're springy. I mean, you really can use baskets all year round. And I just wanted to add in some touches of spring. So that's what I'm doing right here, right now. And I kind of just wanted to jump in and explain that to you guys, but I'm gone for real. You guys enjoy the rest of the video.
When you were to see how you've been, 'cause don't I miss you and all those things we did back then. Way back then. Killing time, Friday night, found a photograph of us.